Greetings and salutes! It's an old camera angle that we haven't seen in a while, guys. And I figured I would bring it back to do this little unboxing for you. If you can't see, and obviously it's going to be in, it's in the thumbnail. Novritsch. If you know, you know what this brand is. He is a Airsofter / YouTuber from Germany. Got his own line of stuff. So I ordered some things. I mean, you guys saw the live that went down from the giveaway. You know. Some information that came out of that one. Rid of that. Yep. That was the anniversaries. Alright, so I ordered a thing. My shmog is not cooperating. But I ordered a thing, and I want to show you what I got. For me, I think I know what that is. So we'll save this for last. Alright. So, Pyramex. ANSI 87. So, we know what ANSI means. You guys can probably kind of sort of. So, y'all know from the streams, I wear glasses. But, oh, that's kind of cool, actually. I got me some of these. Yeah, there's a piece of cardboard in there. Some of these guys. Because something I bought. It's going to go with these. Oh, it came with a little bag. Look at that. Glasses just go in the bag. In the bag. Now this right here. This is the Novritsch anti-fog unit. Now, you guys have seen on the channel before, I have made something kind of like this out of a fish tank bubbler, set of goggles, some hot glue, and some tubage. It works, but it did kind of fall apart on me. And this, well, yeah, this is really light, way lighter than the fish tank bubbler. Way lighter, so much lighter. And then this is the attachment that hooks into the goggles, so you get the anti-fogness. And of course, tubage. This is going to be rigged up, mounted on my helmet. Yeah, I'll read the instructions and figure that all out. And I'll get you guys a good review after I could feel it. But I have an envelope. It says for me. How much you want to bet? Patch. Oh, ooh, it's two of them. SSP 18 and Novritsch. Novritsch. Blah, blah, blah. Novritsch patch. Nice. What do we got? What do we got? Oh! Yeah, so nothing else is in the envelope. We got stickers. That is actually really cool. That is really cool, actually. So they give you a whole sheet to label your BBs. I don't care. That's cool. That is really cool. I like that. Then another set of stickers. And I'll just print it off. Yep. It was not hand signed. Yep, no, that was printed off. It's the standard corporate style thank you letter for buying from them. But yeah, we got the Novritsch stuff. So go and give her a test. And I'll get back to you in another video after I test it out on some game day. So yeah, guys, that was me unboxing the new Novritsch eye protection and anti-fog system setup. And I'll get this all learnified and fixed and do all that good stuff. You know? Still gotta take the cardboard out of that, but like I always say, never ever forget your battle cry. Always wear your eye pro. Yeah.